So we have all the wiring for the heat box. There's a floor heater that's filled up with a oil that heats up, and that's the light fan unit right there. I'll be putting in somewhere up here. So this is what we've done. We put up, or I put up, all the rock board right here, the Wonder Board. And it's got glue behind some of it. That new wall has some glue behind it. And then we sealed this in with spackle and tape because we're locking in a crack. We're doing some interesting things with the shape of the building. There's a big hole here. I just put this green board in. And we're going to have another piece of green board here eventually, and it's going to lock in with a spackle over this. It'll be really strong when it's done. But yeah, just getting this look back up a little bit. Whee! Got my Ryobi, it's doing super good. But yeah, I got the rock board in preparation for the tile on the floor. It's going to be tiles here. And this is again the toilet. We're going to have a wall behind there and a sink. And we're going to use green board pretty much everywhere. And even we're going to tile to the green board on the, this side. And this will be to the Wonder Board. So it's coming along. See if I can get back far enough. And see, it's a small little space. So it's real beautiful soon. Alright, so today we have the sheetrock up. Get a light on for you so you guys can see it. All live power. Got the battery charging in this 24 volt. Here, dark in here. Let's get the light turned on. It's got it all green boarded in, rock boarded in the ceiling, the walls, and I've got the leveler down on the toilet area. I have to go over with that with rock board. And right here is going to be a window, so we're going to be making a big mess to put in a window here. And we have the door for this. And today I'm going to be painting all this, priming and prepping all this with oil primer. Yay! Morning, cats and kittens. This is Friday, and we're continuing on the project, and I want to show you some of the results of that endeavor. And I got my coffee right here. Do you see it? Let's see. There's the coffee. Need that in the morning. And we're gonna go over and check out some of the advances and what happened here in the bathroom. And I'll show you. I'll turn this around. I done painted all this in oil primer, sanded, removed nails, and painted. That's something called Durham's rock putty, and that dries in. It's going to cover up any holes. It's good. And the light on here. Not too much happened since yesterday, but today I'm going to get the rock board down in here. A few pieces, and so we can put that toilet in right there. And then tomorrow, right here, I'm going to be putting in a window. So it's coming along. And yeah, one thing after another, but there's a lot of licensure issues, like a real plumber and electrician to run these wires before I can seal in the floor. So that'll be a barrel of laughs, but it's got to be done. Well, thanks for watching. Continue on the bathroom restoration project.
Hello YouTubers, here we are with Mike, and he's about to show us how to put a window in a brick wall. Say hi, Mike.
How to remove, you don't even have me, how to remove a brick wall for a window.
Okay, here we go. Okay, Mikey, get to it.
Around there, cameraman, Mr. Cameraman. another brick. Get on the bricks here. Take a film of the bricks.
Oh yeah, look at that. See, he's already taken all these out.
Break out of prison, boys. This is how you do it. You just need one of these rock hammer things.
It's a dilithium powered drill, and the dilithium crystals were just changed.
Nice. Getting her done. Next brick. Mixing it up. My brick pile. I'm not a mason, but I do play one on YouTube. Getting my grout here and getting this ready to mud to fill in all around here so we can get the window in. I guess they call it pointing, or they call it masonry. You have to be a Freemason to do this, of course. That peanut butter. It's so good. I guess. Get ready. Let's see here. Maybe it's that thick. I'm not sure. Never took a course. You can, oh, there goes that piece. But you can take your brick and you set it in. Maybe like right between or something like that. That has a lot on there. A lot of thinking that goes into it, really.